Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video will discuss about how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10, so watch this video until the end, but before that, please subscribe to my channel, so you can watch the latest videos on this channel. How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10. When your Wi-Fi network isn't showing up in Windows 10, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get your Wi-Fi network back up and running. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Click on the network icon in the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you don't see the Wi-Fi icon, it might be hidden. Click the up arrow to reveal more icons. If the Wi-Fi icon has a slash through it, your Wi-Fi is off. Click it to turn it on. Next, verify that airplane mode is off. Airplane mode disables all wireless communications. To check, go to Settings, Network and Internet Airplane Mode. Ensure the toggle switch is set to off. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the problem. Restart your computer and see if the Wi-Fi network appears. If it doesn't, restart your router. Unplug the power cord from the router, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow the router a few minutes to reboot. If the network still isn't showing, check the network adapter settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Status. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. This action will remove and then reinstall all your network adapters, resetting network components to their default settings. You should also ensure that your Wi-Fi network adapter drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. If updating the driver doesn't work, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter. In Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Lastly, make sure your Wi-Fi network isn't hidden. Some networks are set to not broadcast their SSID, network name. If you suspect this, click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar, select Hidden Network, and manually enter the network name and password. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Wi-Fi network not showing up in Windows 10. If the problem persists, it may be worth contacting your internet service provider or seeking professional technical support. That's my video about how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.